Okay, Adam's trying to beat his perfection record. Are you ready, Adam?
I am.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go! Come on, buddy. His record is 17, and that's what we're trying to break.
Oh yeah.
You're doing great. Keep going.
Good enough.
Come on, buddy. I think you're at 12 now. Keep going.
Okay.
You can do it.
More can
You can. Come on, you're doing awesome.
Yeah, I am. Oh.
You're almost there. Woo! I think you did it. I think you got 18. Count. Count them for me, okay? While I'm recording. You do it. Count. Turn that off. Okay, let's see if you broke your record.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Yeah. Yeah?
12, 14,
Okay.
15, 17.
Oh, no. Wasn't that 2? 16, 18?
Yeah.
And then that would be?
19.
Oh my gosh, you just broke your record. What do you have to say?
I broke my record. I won the tennis.
You are awesome.